Guess whose house we're back at? Matt, right now, he's got his headlight install going. What up? What's Gucci?
Get out that car and help me.
Alright, I'll be there. So we're back at Ariel's. Look at that. Look at the hot boy, he's out there. So we're gonna be doing a headlight install on Matt's zr1.
It's gonna look beautiful.
You guys are gonna love
before
these.
it's beautiful, it's gonna get dirty.
Yeah. And then looks like summer already hit us out here in Arizona, so we're gonna be dirty and sweaty.
Yeah.
So let me set this thing down so I can help out my boy.
Yeah. Dropped out of school, now we done rich. This sound like some 4301 shit. All my niggas.
Called in the reinforcements.
Don't chill out, alright?
Yeah, we're gonna force us to fucking eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you're gonna dip right out.
That's all good, it's all good. So we managed to take the headlights off now. Not this one yet, but it's been fully disconnected. We took out the little harnesses and Matt's getting ready to put on the newer edition. You have it. And they're even sequential. Golly, it looks good. What do you think?
That looks amazing. Can't wait to have the bumper on now.
How much? I think you're running low on blinker fluid though now.
Huh?
You're gonna be low on blinker fluid now.
Yeah,
though.
I gotta add some.
Kraken now has a better exhaust. What y'all think about that new sound? Looks hella good. So that was a bit of a short video for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want to keep seeing nice ass content. Let us know in the comments if you like these headlights.